Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to unblock any contact on Viber. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open Viber on your phone. Now tap on More from the bottom right corner. Then go to Settings. Now select Privacy. Then tap on Block List. Here you will see all the name or number you have blocked. Tap on Unblock whom you want to unblock. That's it. The person has been unblocked. You can reblock that person if you unblock him accidentally. So in this way, you can unblock any contact on Viber. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.